Hello kids, this story is about a little girl who is inspired by learning about the Pattachitra art and he walks on an adventure to create his own beautiful masterpiece of a Pattachitra art. Once upon a time, in a city filled with skyscrapers and bustling streets, there was a girl named Rimjhim. Rimjhim had a dream as big as the city skyline. She wanted to create her very own masterpiece inspired by the ancient art of Pattachitra. Rimjhim's inspiration came from her favorite teacher, Miss Anu, who had introduced her to the magical world of Pattachitra art. In a park filled with vibrant sculpture and murals, Miss Anu's lessons were like a breath of fresh air, bringing the old art form to life in a modern setting. One day, Rimjhim decided it was time to bring her own vision to life. She set up her easel in the park, surrounded by the sounds of laughter and the scent of freshly cut grass. With her canvas as white as the clouds above, she dipped her brush into a palette of colors inspired by the traditional hues of Pattachitra art. But oh no! Rimjhim faced her first problem. Her brush was too stiff and the color did not mix well on the canvas. She started feeling upset. But then she remembered what Miss Anu always said. Every artist has problems, but what's important is how you solve them. Drawing inspiration from the ancient Pattachitra artists, Rimjhim crafted her own brushes using soft bristles and bamboo sticks. With each stroke, she felt a connection to the artist who had come before her, their spirits guiding her hand as she brought her masterpiece to life. As Rimjhim painted a beautiful peacock, disaster struck again. She accidentally knocked over her water jar and water spilled all over her almost done painting. Just as Rimjhim was about to feel very worried, something amazing happened. The colors on her painting started mixing in a really cool way, making a beautiful pattern that moved around the canvas like a dance. Rimjhim did not give up. She kept painting, adding stories of courage, love, and excitement to her artwork. Days passed, then weeks, as she added tiny details to her masterpiece, each brush stroke getting her closer to what she imagined. When the time came to reveal her creation to the world, Rimjhim felt a butterflies tickling in her stomach. But as she unveiled her painting in the heart of the park, surrounded by friends, family, and curious onlookers, everyone gasped and clapped when they saw Rimjhim painting. Miss Anu approached her with a smile, her eyes shining with pride. Rimjhim, she said, you have not only created a painting, but you have captured the essence of Pattachitra in a modern masterpiece. Rimjhim's heart swelled with joy as she realized that her journey with the Pattachitra was just beginning. In a world where ancient art met with modern innovation, the possibilities were endless, and Rimjhim could not wait to see where her creativity would take her next. And that's, my dear friend, is the story of Rimjhim and her colorful journey in Pattachitra Park. Maybe one day you will discover her amazing artwork, a beautiful reminder of how art and imagination can make world more colorful, beautiful and magical.